Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make fresh cream at home. Start by using full-fat milk for the best and thickest cream. Bring the milk to a boil, then let it cool completely to room temperature. Once cool, place the milk in the refrigerator for at least 8 hours, or preferably overnight. This chilling period allows the cream to separate and rise to the surface effectively. After chilling, you'll notice a thick, yellowish layer of cream, or malai, on the surface of the milk. Use a flat spoon or a small ladle to gently skim this layer off. Be careful not to disturb the milk underneath. Collect all the cream and place it into a clean, airtight container. You can repeat this process with the remaining milk after another chilling period. Your homemade fresh cream is now ready to use. Store it in the refrigerator, and it will stay fresh for about 5 days. This versatile cream can be used in many ways. You can whip it for delicious desserts, add a dollop to your favorite curries for extra richness, or even stir it into your morning coffee for a luxurious treat. If you want to make whipped cream, ensure both your cream and your mixing bowl are very cold. Use an electric mixer to whip the cream on medium-high speed until soft peaks begin to form. Be careful not to overwhip, or it might turn into butter. This makes a fantastic topping for cakes and fruits. Also, remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.